check it really fast?
Oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm getting, but getting something. Look at that. Goodness. They're going to come up, so it's like figuring out where they're coming up. Other side?
Over here. You're right here.
Ah! There you go.
That's a hard stopper. Wow.
I know.
Okay, we've got to watch that.
What?
Whoa. Check it, see if I got anything. Oh,
And you just don't know.
Is that baby close enough?
Yeah, no kidding.
Did you get anything?
I have no idea. I'll check it when we get back.
Here, just check it out.
I'll check it when we get back.